So one of the important topics that needs to be understood is the concept of mean free path and that of collision frequency. So when you study gases, and especially the kinetic theory of gases, the molecule is moving randomly inside the whole container, and we can find the mean distance traveled by the molecule before the next collision happens. The distance traveled between the two collisions is called as mean free path. And the second quantity you should be concentrating is on the collision frequency. So in 1 second, how many collisions happen? If you look into these expression on your screen, you have to memorize the formula. But more importantly, try to understand that these are ideal gases. So they behave like hard balls, and all the collisions are elastic. The nearest approximation of an ideal gas is basically a noble gas, which you see. So whenever you're studying these equations, study them with a pinch of salt, because these are only applicable to ideal gases, but in the real world there are no ideal gases. So memorize the formula for mean free path and also for the collision frequency. Thank you very much.